Understanding Full Face Gasket, a comprehensive guide. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we will dive into the meaning of the phrase, full face gasket. This term is commonly used in industries such as plumbing, automotive, and manufacturing. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what a full face gasket is, its uses, and why it's important. A full-face gasket is a type of sealing device made from various materials like rubber, graphite, or metal. It's designed to fit between two sections of a pipe or between the engine and other components in machinery to prevent leaks of gases or liquids. The distinctive feature of a full-face gasket is that it covers the entire face of the flange, including the bolt holes, providing a comprehensive seal. Full-face gaskets are essential in maintaining the integrity of a sealing connection. They are crucial for 1. Preventing leaks. They ensure that fluids or gases do not escape from the connection points. 2. Withstanding high pressure. Full-face gaskets are designed to withstand high pressure, making them ideal for heavy-duty applications. 3. Durability. They are made from materials that can withstand extreme temperatures and harsh chemicals. Full-face gaskets are used in a wide range of industries. Some common applications include 1. Plumbing systems, to seal connections in pipes and prevent water leakage. 2. Automotive industry, used in engines and other parts to ensure tight seals and prevent oil or gas leaks. 3. Manufacturing plants, to maintain the efficiency of machines and prevent any leaks of harmful gases or liquids. Thank you for watching. Today, we learned about full-face gaskets, their importance, and their applications across various industries. Understanding such specific terms can significantly enhance your technical English vocabulary and comprehension, especially if you're interested in engineering or industrial fields. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Stay tuned for more lessons.